You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. That's originally a name of Irish origin, Irish Gaelic, meaning bright, but that's been French-sized or French made a bit looking more French. It's generally in English pronounced as Bridgette as well, but the French would say it as Bridgette. So some may pronounce it as Bridgette, with a bit more stress on the second syllable, but generally Bridgette. How do you pronounce it? Are you a Bridgette or a Bridgette? How do you say it? Do you know anybody? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.